didn't even fluff my hair. Oh, I have nothing. Now it's giving. Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be talking about why your makeup sucks. The question I always get is like every single day, like I'm out and about because I wear makeup basically every day. Did you do your makeup yourself? Teach me how to do your makeup. What foundation do you wear? I want the exact shade that you're wearing. Mind you, there'll be like 5 shades lighter or 5 shades darker than me. They want the exact same shade as me. Here's the thing. The secret, or the number one tip, the biggest advice I can give you on how to perfect your makeup so that it doesn't suck, is to find somebody whose face that you love and do what they do. For example, for me, I grew up in the OG YouTube beauty influencer sphere, right? My influence was Destiny Godley. Destiny Godley, gorgeous dark-skinned girl who knew makeup, not just how to do makeup, but she knew makeup. She knew how to color correct, how to foundation match, how to concealer match, everything that I know about makeup I knew from Destiny Godley, right? I know how to use it, what to use, when to use it, all of that. Once I got that one foundation, then you can try jumping into the trends like the cut creases, which was a big thing in like 2017, 2016. You could do the bright lipsticks, again, a 2016 thing. You can do all of that until you figure out what it is that you like for yourself. So find somebody that influences you or whose makeup style that you like, and then go from there. It's the same thing with hair. Like how my hair is right now, I love a nice big voluminous look on the girls, and I feel like I could never achieve it, and I feel like I'm slowly getting into it. And you know, I just have to figure out how to make my hair stay like this all the time without hairspray, because I like to touch my hair. Like I don't want my hair to feel stiff and clingy, but that's not the point of the video. So find somebody that you like who does their makeup really well and follow that. Another thing, once you find the makeup style you like, find someone with the same face shape as you. If you have hooded eyes, find an influencer who does hooded eye makeup. If you have a rounder face, find a girl who has a rounder face and does her makeup really well. If you have a more triangle, heart shape, whatever, find somebody with your face shape and go from there. That's how you're going to make sure, that's how you're going to know that your makeup is going to eat. With makeup, just like anything else, practice makes perfect. You're not going to nail it right off the bat right away. Keep trying, keep experimenting, do things that you love, find out what you like and what you don't like. Right now, blush is really popular, like a whole lot of blush. For example, I love Jackie Aina. When I first started doing videos, even though my makeup was like trash back then, I thought I was it, and people actually liked it. Like, don't come for me, but people liked my makeup back in the day, and they still like it today. So it's like we're growing, we're transforming, and everybody's mind is, you know, adapting. Anyways, I posted a video. This is when you could post video comments, or you could like repost your video with somebody else's video. You could repost a person's video and she reposted my video, and that video got like a whole bunch of views. So that's one of the reasons why I love Jackie so much, as well as what she's done for Black women in the beauty industry. Okay, now with that said, I was not the biggest fan of the way she did her makeup, so she was not one of the people who influenced me on how to do my makeup. With everything else, as far as a lifestyle, love the babe. She's my, yes, I will defend her to the end. Love me some Jackie. This is what I mean. There are lots of popular girls out there, but everybody or most people's makeup styles are different. There are lots of people who do the same things, yes, but there are some people who do certain things differently. But there's this one girl, Mona Leo. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm butchering her name, but on Twitter, that's how I read it. Mona Leo. She's a rapper. I believe she's from Houston. Anyways, she's very much a blush girly, and it looks so cute on her. She does it over her nose, high on the cheeks. Love it on her. Tried it, hated it on me. No, it wasn't it wasn't doing what it was supposed to do, and that's why I say everything is trial and error. As much as I loved her makeup, I did it on myself. It just was not the look for me. Try, take pictures, look in the mirror, take videos, all of that. See how you look before you step out into the world. Okay, and I know that's like common sense, but not everything is for everybody. Blush is trending right now, but I'm not a blush babe. Okay, like I'll do it if I'm going out in the evening and do like a deep, like a peach or a nice red, but I'll never do like I've done it. Oh, one time I did a purple and that was like actually really pretty because it had like the iridescent type of thing happening, but that was that. Anyways. But yeah, find somebody who you love, find a face shape that's similar to yours, and then go from there. There are so many influencers on all the apps, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, everything, where there is no reason why your makeup should still suck in 2025. I think I've said enough, honestly. Again, everything is not for everybody. You do not have to do all the trends. And once you have your base, like once you figure out, all right, this looks good on me, then you can jump into more of the trendier things, because trends are going to, with every season or every year, is going to be a different trend. One time it was the over highlight, now it's the blush, one time it was the super long lashes. Remember my lashes used to be like all the way up here? Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. Hey. Find the base that you love. Like for me, it was Destiny Godley. To this day, I'd recommend Destiny Godley to anybody if you want to start your makeup journey, and then build onto that. So here is to flawless makeup, great makeup in 2025. Great hair in 2025. If I could find a hairspray that holds my hair up and still be touchable soft, I would love that for me. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace, sign, and kissy face. Bye.